Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder, and after that launch their Gmail application. Then just click here on the right upper corner and you can see that we're logged into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, you should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, we should click here to the manage accounts on this device, and after that click here to Google section, and here we can set this to our Google accounts in Google account settings. Now for example, to log out from this account, click here, tap to the more section icon and click to remove account. Now just to confirm your action, click to remove account again, wait a second, and as can you see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account. And now we'll go back to the Gmail application, and here we can check, and as can you see that in Gmail application we also stay only with one Google account. So that's it, that's how to log out from Gmail account on our device. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.